How you doing? What's going on?
Waiting on Uber.
Waiting for your Uber?
Yeah.
You have an ID I can take a look at, man?
No, you don't. I don't. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Well, you're sitting in front of a closed bar and I can
I'm
see you're
waiting on my
intoxicated.
Uber, my friend.
Let me see your ID.
No.
Okay. We can do this one in two ways, sir.
We can
Okay,
do this anyway.
I'm being respectful to you.
I'm sitting here waiting on my Uber. I am doing nothing
Show me on
wrong.
your phone that your Uber's coming.
You know what? I'm going to break out my camera right now.
Go ahead, mine's running
I'm going
as
to
well.
start filming you.
Mine's running as well.
I am not doing anything wrong.
Okay, well,
I'm doing everything right. Not drinking and driving. And why are you messing with me?
I'm not messing with you, sir. You're sitting
No,
in front
no,
of a closed
you
bar.
are.
You're sitting in front of a closed bar.
You are messing with a Navy veteran that is waiting on an Uber
Sir, I'm going to ask you one
that
more
is
time.
doing nothing wrong.
Can I see your ID?
No, you
You're
can't.
drunk in public.
No, I'm not drunk in public.
Give me your ID. I'm giving you a lawful order.
You're not getting anything, dude.
Okay. Stand up.
I am not doing
Stand up.
anything wrong.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
What are you doing? I'm sitting
Put your
there
hands
doing
behind your back.
nothing.
Put your other hand behind your back. Set your phone down, sir, and put your hand behind your back.
I'm sitting here doing nothing. Waiting on an Uber.
Too big
you
you're sick.
kidding me?
Protective custody.
Huh?
Okay, all I asked for was to see your Uber.
I'm
and
doing
you want to argue,
nothing.
and you're intoxicated. Okay, I don't think you're making good choices, sir.
I'm waiting on my Uber,
And all
which
I-
is the
sir,
best choice.
Sir, all I was trying to do was verify.
The worst choice
all-
would be
sir,
driving.
Sir, all I was trying to do was verify your Uber. Was that right or wrong?
Well, if you unlock me, I'll show you the Uber.
Well, that's what how many times did I ask for that, sir? Huh?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
have I done anything illegal?
Well, you're intoxicated in public.
I'm sitting
Okay,
on a
and I'm not-
bench waiting on my
Right,
Uber.
at a closed business in a high crime area.
Waiting on my
So,
Uber.
sir, I have no idea who you are or what you're doing, and it's my job to find out. So all I did was wanted to have a conversation with you, and you won't give me any information at all, and it's obvious that you're intoxicated, right?
That is why I am waiting on an Uber.
Right, and how many times did I ask you to see your Uber? I tell you, my body camera.
All right, well, unlock me if it's that big a
all
deal,
you
and
wanna-
I'll show you my
and
Uber.
all you want to do is film me and argue with me.
I have done nothing wrong. I'm sitting here minding my own business.
Sir,
True or false?
I'm just doing my job.
You are fucking with a Navy veteran.
Sir, step over here.
Just sitting here minding my
Step
own
over here.
business.
Step over here. Sir, you can't even walk.
I'm sitting here minding my own
You
business.
can't even walk, sir.
What are you guys doing?
You can't even walk. You're
What?
intoxicated.
No,
to the point where you're a danger to yourself.
no. I'm sitting here minding my own business. What are you guys doing? I'm waiting on my Uber.
Sir,
Doing
you're going to go to
nothing.
detox. You can't even walk.
Oh my God,
Okay.
dude.
can't
Uncuff
even
me and let me know if I can walk or not.
Well, it's pretty obvious that you can't.
You guys, are you serious? I have an Uber coming. I have an Uber coming.
Double lock. Double locked.
Guys, seriously, stop. I have an Uber coming. Please stop. Just let me go home. I have an Uber coming. I was sitting in the chair, not
Sir?
bothering anybody.
Sir, I was trying to be reasonable with you.
Oh my
It's
God,
obvious that
dude.
you're
I am a
feeling
Navy
frustrated.
veteran.
Okay, thank you for your service.
And I'm just sitting there minding my own business.
Right, at a closed business.
And
it's
waiting
like
on my Uber.
And all I asked was for you to verify it. All I asked you to show me it on your phone, and I'm good with that. Okay, but you refused to do that, so you couldn't
You
do
guys
that.
are, I mean, really, you
Okay.
do this to a Navy veteran?
Sir,
I'm sitting on a
have a seat in the car.
Oh my God, man. Are you guys serious? I've done
I have
nothing.
no idea who he is.
No, I don't have any weapons on me.
Just hold on for 30 seconds.
I have no weapons on me. I mean, I can't believe you guys are doing this. I seriously got to a Navy veteran. Are you really doing this to a Navy veteran?
I'll grab his phone.
And you guys come up and just fucking shake me down.
James,
Navy veteran.
James,
Combat medic.
James.
Talk to me.
Did you do it through an app or did you
I
call
did
them?
through the Uber app.
All right, so how do I get into your phone?
6969.
If they're coming, man, I'll release you to them. But if not,
6969.
but if they're not, you're not
And
leaving
then
us
look
much
out
choice.
for Uber. Listen, fellas,
To the green button.
I am a former combat medic.
James, thank you for
Sitting
your
there,
service.
How do you
and I'm not going to lie to you.
how do I go?
6969.
He's in
I'm
it.
in.
Uber.
Where do I search that? I don't have this.
Go to the Uber app. Just scroll through till you find the Uber app. Listen, fellas, you should not be doing this to a combat medic veteran. I was sitting there minding my own business.
Is he coming?
Okay,
he's
I
James.
respect
James.
you guys.
James.
I respect
James.
your jobs.
James. Listen to me for a minute. I appreciate that. It says it's 5 minutes away. If he's there in 5 minutes, we will release you to that Uber.
Okay.
Okay?
Please, let me out of here. I'm coming at it.
When the Uber gets here, we'll do that. Okay, this is James. James. Listen, James. James, listen to me. All you had to do was show me this in the first place.
No, I understand your job there. Okay.
It's easier if he spins you around so you're not.
Anyway, I
There you
didn't,
go.
listen, I didn't mean to be offensive.
I get you.
If I was doing the right thing, I was sitting.
And I commend you for that. I really do. I commend you for that. You're good. And so hey,
let me tell you something.
pull up that Uber app.
Iraq veteran, okay?
Thanks for your service, man. Pull up that. All right, man. Here you go, dude.
Hey,
They're gonna get you home, brother.
never lied to you.
Nope, you didn't. I appreciate that. They're gonna get you.
Yeah.
Yep, that's James. Thanks, man.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate it.